Adora Becton here with EXP Realty. I just wanted to come show you guys this beautiful new home that just been listed. It's here in Charlotte. It has a 1-car garage, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,354 square feet, and I think you'll love it. So come on in, follow me, and let's take a look inside. Hi guys, welcome in. So don't mind my booties, okay? They're just here to keep the hardwood floors nice and clean. So yeah, we're starting in the kitchen. You have to look around, you'll see we have a nice granite countertop with the backsplash from heaven. Then we have all stainless steel appliances. Yes, microwave, oven, and refrigerator will all be accompanied with the purchase of this home. Yes. So like I said, hardwood floors throughout. And then if you follow me to the back over here, right behind the kitchen and dining room, we have the laundry room. Pretty new washer and dryer, which will also be accompanied with the purchase of this home. Yes, I know, right behind the kitchen, guys. But if you look out here, you also see the backyard. Sitting on over half an acre, I believe you'll find just about anything you want to do is possible in this backyard. And now this is our half bathroom, which has a beautiful marble countertop, nice and smooth, and matches our kitchen along with the beautiful faucet. And this leads us into our dining room. I just love this light fixture. It's just something about it. Now welcome to our family room. Very much custom created shelves with a fireplace. Still got the hardwood floors. Very much lit up from the outside. It's got that natural light coming in, and it's just screaming, "Come inside!" Now, this is bedroom number 1. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. With a view of the front yard and also a fairly good sized closet. I think it's feasible. What do you guys think? Now, our first full bath, which also has granite countertops. Then we're in bedroom number 2, which also has a great view, but this time of the backyard, and a very decent sized closet. Okay, little storage closet for those towels, washcloths, and whatever else you guys can stuff in there. Now, bedroom number 3, which also has a nice, feasible sized closet. What do you guys think? And a backyard view. And last but certainly not least, the master bedroom. So this bedroom is of course the most ambient bedroom in the house. It overlooks the side of the house and the front of the house. And we're going to end our tour here with the master bathroom with the beautiful tile back. And although it has one vanity, it could be perfect for you. So if this is something you like, please reach out to me today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And again, my name is Adora Becton with EXP Realty. I'm proud to serve the Charlotte, North Carolina area.